concerned about this. No culprit will be spared. They will get the harshest of punishment. Let's listen in.
ये नीट के संबंध में दो प्रकार की अव्यवस्था की विषय सामने आई है। प्रारंभिक जानकारी ये तो आई थी, कुछ छात्रों को कम समय मिलने के कारण उनके वहां थोड़ा रोष थी, उनको कुछ वैकल्पिक ग्रेस मार्क की व्यवस्था दिया गया था, जिसको भी इस बीच में सरकार ने नामंजूर करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश अनुसार 1563 बच्चों की पुनः परीक्षा की आदेश दे दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुझाव पे। दूसरा, दो जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूं, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है, वो जानकारी हमको मिली है। हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। और एनटीए में बहुत सुधार की आवश्यकता है। कुछ विषय, एनटीए एक स्वायत्त संस्था था, लेकिन एनटीए की बारे में सुधारने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। सरकार उसके ऊपर भी चिंता कर रही है। लेकिन मैं फिर आश्वस्त करता हूं, किसी को, कोई भी गुनहगार को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा, उनको कठोर से कठोर दंड मिलेगा।
सर, विद्यार्थियों का कहना है कि विद्यार्थी स्थानों पे असंतोषजनक
नहीं, दो जगह की विषय है।
So that is the pitch coming in from Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, saying that there are systemic issues when it comes to the conducting of NEET exams, and especially when it comes to the systems operated by the NTA. But he has not addressed the charge when it comes to the corruption that has been alleged by students as well as the opposition parties. He has made it clear that when it comes to the entire NEET exam, there is no evidence of any paper leak or corruption. But he, in this case, has admitted that there are some systemic problems in the NTA which need to be addressed, and the government is taking those issues very seriously, something that has come to light in the wake of the NEET exams and the protesting students who are demanding a transparent system when it comes to conducting the crucial exams. Akash continues to be with us on the broadcast. So Akash, while Dharmendra Pradhan over there making a huge admission saying that there are systemic problems in the NTA which the government needs to address, he at no point has addressed and continues to maintain the stand that when it comes to the matter of corruption, something students as well as the opposition have raised time and again, there is no evidence of any paper leak or money changing hands when it comes to the role of the NTA officials.
In fact, initially in our interview, he mentioned that how there are some sort of irregularities. But as far as paper leak is concerned, so nothing sort of that has happened. And in fact, in this, soundbite, he is saying that some irregularities have come to light, at two places. And whosoever is responsible for it, he won't be spared. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is categorically mentioning that how Supreme Court has ordered, a retest for all those 1,563 candidates. Those who were given the grace mark. But as far as irregularities are concerned, so government is actually paying attention to these irregularities. And in fact, there is a scope of improvement in the NTA itself. And Dharmendra Pradhan is talking about that sort of improvement only, Ayushman.